Hi everyone, welcome back to Chandri Saga channel. So as we can see for today we have this new Rolls Royce Cullinan. So in this video we are going to take a look of the interior and the exterior design. We can see this beautiful key, you can see the color is the same of the interior of this car. So right now let's put the ignition on. You can see the inside, also these lines, matches, beautiful chrome handles, beautiful printed 3D Spirit of Ecstasy there in the doors, Cullinan writing. So I'm sorry for the background noise. So let's jump here and we can see this beautiful interior. Welcome to Cullinan. Amazing. So to start the engine we have here in the left, just like in the Porsche. Beautiful. So right now let's go and take a look of the exterior design, and later on we are going to see this beautiful interior, guys. See, right now we are here in the front. We can see this beautiful LED daytime ring lights with LED matrix headlights. We can see the Spirit of Ecstasy, beautiful chrome grille. This is all black finished, and we can see this beautiful blue line to match the interior. Also you can see these beautiful wheels. These one are 23-inch. You can see also the brake calipers is the same color to the blue. And now just look at on the side, it looks very boxy. We have of course tinted rear windows, beautiful LED taillights, this chrome, so the Rolls Royce chrome, beautiful exhaust, and they are, you can see on the inside they are two. So the engine with this car is a 6.7 liter V12, which makes around 570 horsepower with 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. Also you can see the trunk, it's two-way to open, and you can see the carpet also here is so thick, and you can see the gloss behind the back seats to improve the sound cabin, to be more quiet. Beautiful. So right now let's go and take a look of the back seats. We can see of course the opposite opening for the Rolls Royce. We have the sunshades here, beautiful design of the door, the Cullinan writing. You can see how thick this carpet is, and you can see the attention to detail is everything leather and aluminium. So if you want to close your door, here you have a button, press that and it will close. Amazing. The sunshades, electric of course, also for the back. Amazing. You can see the star headlining, beautiful interior in the front. So if you want to open your rear entertainment, you will press this button it is here, it's touchscreen, or we can control with this beautiful wheel. And these seats, guys, are so comfortable. Amazing, really amazing. And if you want to close also this one, you have the button here in the left. You press that and this goes away. Beautiful. Here we have the rear climate control, heated rear seats. Also we have the massaging seats. Beautiful. Also you can recline this, and this one, the passenger seats go all the way forward. Also we have these cushions. You can see how comfortable and soft they are. Here we have the fridge with two beautiful Rolls Royce glasses, and you can put the champagne there. Here we have another storage in the armrest, and another two glasses. The Rolls Royce, beautiful. And this bottle, if you want to fill up with, I don't know, the water or anything you want, you can. The attention to the detail of the luxury in the Rolls Royce are in another level, guys. You can see we have all leather headlining, and this beautiful ceiling with these stars are just amazing. Really amazing. So right now let's go and take a look of the interior in the front. Right now we are here in the front. You can see this opens the pant. Also this is touchscreen, or you can use with this beautiful wheel, and the Spirit of Ecstasy is designed here in the middle. Very good infotainment. This is the older system of the BMW, so it works very well. You can see the My Vehicle, Spirit of Ecstasy. You can lower or raise, it depends. Vehicle settings. Here we have, for example, the navigation, the map view, and it's very responsive. Beautiful. Also we have the clock here, the Cullinan. You can see these finishes, beautiful. The steering wheel feels very luxurious. You can see we have digital gauges, but you can see the surround are with a chrome, and they feel like a traditional one, which is very good. Also we have the night vision, beautiful. And you can see this beautiful piano black finishes. Here we have the volume control, and the sound system is very good. Adjustable ear vents. You can hear they are real metal, guys. Amazing. So here we have the center console, beautiful two cup holders, the controls for the iDrive, parking sensors. You can lower or raise your SUV. You have the camera, beautiful. Also is a 360-degree camera, which is very helpful. The off-road option here. You can see we have little storage, maybe to put your phone there. And here we have the armrest. It's very deep, you can put quite a few things there. And here we have the glove box, and it's very decent. Also you can see the controls for the seats, massaging seats, and two memorial seat. Beautiful. This car is just amazing, guys. Really, really amazing. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video about the new Rolls Royce Cullinan. Comment down below what do you think, and make sure to subscribe for more video to come. And we see you in the next one.